मध्य प्रदेश का जिक्र कर रहे। कल मंदसौर में क्या हुआ, एक मस्जिद के ऊपर पूरे संघ परिवार के लोग मस्जिद के ऊपर चढ़ के आप झंडा लगाते अपना, और 2 दिन पहले प्रधानमंत्री बोलते कि पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी को डैमेज मत करो। रेडिकलाइजेशन कौन हो चुका है? रेडिकलाइजेशन मंदसौर में जो ये लोगों ने हरकत की, उनका रेडिकलाइजेशन हुआ है, मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी का। इनको डीरेडिकलाइज करने के लिए क्या कर रही है सरकार? डीरेडिकलाइज नहीं कर रहे उनको, आप उनको और रेडिकलाइज कर रहे हैं, इस तरह के कानून बनाकर नफरत फैला रहे हैं। मंदसौर में जो कुछ हुआ उसकी जिम्मेदारी शिवराज चौहान की सरकार पर आज होती है। ये शर्मिंदगी की हद है। अफसोसनाक बात है कि एक जुलूस जाता है और मस्जिद के ऊपर जो दिल्ली में हुआ था वो दोबारा हो रहा है यहां पर। क्या है, क्या है? नहीं, अगर 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 क्यों सरकार के संविधान के खिलाफ कानून बनाते रहे, हम कोर्ट को जाएं? सरकार बनाती क्यों संविधान के खिलाफ कानून को? सरकार को तो शर्म आनी चाहिए कि कितने इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में, दूसरे हाई कोर्ट में तो एक के बाद उनके जजमेंट खिलाफ आ रहे हैं उनके ऊपर। कोर्ट को जा सकते क्यों? अरे भाई, कोर्ट को जाने का अख्तियार सबको, तो आप संविधान के खिलाफ कानून बनाएंगे और कोर्ट को जाएंगे। बुनियादी बात यह है कि आपको कोई राइट नहीं है मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में इंटरफेयर होने का। मैं किससे शादी करूं, मैं क्या खाना खाऊं, मैं क्या कपड़े पहनूं, अरे आप तो ऐसा कर देंगे फिर तो मैं हिल नहीं सकूंगा। फिर आप कहेंगे नहीं, सुबह 3 बजे रात को उठ जाओ, सुबह दोपहर में 1 घंटा सो जाओ और इतना खाना खाओ, ये खाना मत खाओ। अरे आप कौन है भाई? जमहूरियत में मुझे अख्तियार है कि मैं कानून के दायरे में रहकर अपनी जिंदगी गुजारूंगा। आप मुझ पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगा रहे हैं। क्या ये किम जोंग की सरकार हो चुकी है? क्या डिक्टेटरशिप है यहां पर? नहीं होगा। हम इसके खिलाफ, एक संविधान के खिलाफ, और हर एक को इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी चाहिए। हाँ हाँ हाँ, फिर बोलिए क्या कर रही है सरकार? ये व्हाट इज द गवर्नमेंट डूइंग? What is the government doing? It is shame on this government that you're not able to get them back. If 39 Indian sailors are in captivity in China, arey boss, forget about them. You are not able to retrieve that 1,000 square kilometer of land where China has occupied Indian territory. What is the government doing? The government must answer to the nation and tell how will they get back those 39 sailors. We lost 16 soldiers at Galwan Valley. We demand that immediately those sailors, for no reason, they are sailors. They're not even army personnel. They are sailors of that ship. They went there, they took their goods. How can the Chinese take them into captivity for no reason whatsoever? It is high time that the government reacts to it. I want the Prime Minister to at least please tweet on it. Let the Prime Minister react and get them back. It is highly objectionable. The Chinese government is violating all international treaties, and the Chinese government must give them all the proper respect. They are not prisoners of war. They are, for God's sake, they are sailors who belong to a ship who went over there. They were taking trades over there, carriage over there. How can the Chinese? Why isn't the government responding to it? Why isn't the Modi government lodging this strong protest with the Chinese government? Why has the government not called the Chinese ambassador to the Ministry of External Affairs office and lodged the strongest protest? Why has this not been done?
Sir, today is the 6th round of talks between the center and the farmers. We have been seeing farmers' agitation since last 1.5 months. Today is the 6th round of talks. We do not see any coming to this.
No, there is a very easy way out for the government. The Prime Minister should tell the nation that they are going to amend the law and include MSP in that. Or the Prime Minister can take back those 3 bills, simple as that. The Prime Minister is willing to speak to farmers of Arunachal Pradesh, farmers of, he went and met the farmers in Gujarat. Why can't the Prime Minister take this simple measure of assuring the nation that we will amend the act and incorporate that MSP will be given, or they can easily take back those bills. It is not an ego issue. These are our farmers, and they have been doing protests in thousands over there. They are doing, thousands of farmers are doing a peaceful protest. We must stand with them. We must understand that their demands are genuine. It is in the national interest that the Modi government should accept their demands.
So, the Centre has been saying that this farm bill will benefit them. We also saw Prime Minister Modi addressing the farmers.
It is not going to benefit, because if you don't have MSP, it will not benefit those farmers. There is a consensus among all the farmers throughout the country that these three bills are unconstitutional. Number two, the government has unnecessarily interfered in the state subject, because agriculture is a state subject. And thirdly, this so-called propaganda of the ruling party that will benefit the farmers, it will not benefit the farmers in the long run. It will destroy the farmers. It will have a negative impact on our agriculture output.
सर, ये अभी जिस प्रकार से प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं, वहाँ पे टावर्स को भी जलाया जा रहा है इसके नाम पे, तो क्या ये सही है? पंजाब में
मस्जिद को तोड़ दिए ना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? आपको टावर की फिक्र पड़ी हुई है, मस्जिद जो मस्जिद के ऊपर झंडा लगा रहे, उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे आप? एक सुनिए, और एक मिनट, टावर, अगर टावर को बंद कर रहे हैं तो वहां की सरकार को करना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है। मैं सुनिए, देखिए, प्रोटेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक राइट है, प्रोटेस्ट होना चाहिए, और प्रोटेस्ट हर रोज होना चाहिए। सुनिए, चाहे प्रोटेस्ट मेरे खिलाफ भी हो, प्रोटेस्ट होना चाहिए। प्रोटेस्ट में वायलेंस नहीं होना चाहिए, और ना सरकार स्टेट वायलेंस कराए। What? अरे you listen to me. Listen to me. There is a report of Indian Express. You should read that report. You don't read the Indian Express. You only read one news channel. That is your problem. In Indian Express, it clearly stated that when the person or that lady who was indulging in stone pelting was from a different community, immediately the police went and demolished other house. What is the police doing? Isn't it the responsibility of Madhya Pradesh police that this incident happened over there? And you ask me to condemn this, condemn that. Like, why don't you condemn the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister government? He should be condemned. It is a BJP government which is indulging in all this violence because they want to ensure that through polarization they want to continue. They have nothing to show to the people of Madhya Pradesh. I condemn. See, I have not used the word Hindu or Muslim. I don't know why Times now using Hindu and Muslim. I don't know why Times now using Hindu and Muslim. No. My friend, are you against? Is Times now against Muslims? Are you?